This is a hydraulic bottle jack. It's designed to raise heavy loads with ease. In this video, we will see how it works. First, let's look at the key components. The base, foundation that supports entire jack. It is designed to be wide and strong, ensures stability during operation. The main body. The main body of a bottle jack has a distinctive bottle-like shape, giving it its name. This main body houses two critical components: the main piston and the oil reservoir tank. The oil plug serves as the entry point for filling oil to the reservoir tank. Typically, the reservoir is filled up to the lower edge of the oil plug hole. The oil within the tank is not pressurized. This is the handle. When you move it up and down, it creates pressure in the hydraulic system, making the main piston go up. The main piston. The main piston is a cylindrical component that moves up and down to lift heavy loads. It is driven by the hydraulic pressure generated by the pumping action of the handle. The saddle, positioned at the top of primary piston, features a textured surface designed to enhance stability and ensure a secure connection with the load being lifted. In some variations of bottle jacks, the saddle is threaded. This threading allows for manual rotation, enabling precise vertical adjustments to fine-tune the height as needed. The release valve controls hydraulic fluid flow. Closing it allows the jack to lift and hold loads, while opening it lets the jack lower safely by releasing fluid pressure. Proper use ensures safe and controlled lifting and lowering. Now, let's see how it works. When you move the lever handle up and down, you are actually moving the pump piston inside the cylinder. This up and down motion creates a sequence of actions within the jack. When you pull the handle upwards, the pump piston inside the cylinder moves up. This movement creates a vacuum that opens the intake valve. As the vacuum forms, a ball check valve lifts off its seat, allowing hydraulic fluid from the reservoir to flow into the pump cylinder. The ball check relies on gravity or fluid pressure to move. When fluid flows in the intended direction, it lifts the ball off the seat. When the flow stops or reverses, gravity or fluid pressure causes the ball to drop back onto the seat, sealing the passage. When we move the handle down, the intake ball check valve moves back to its seat, closing the intake. This action causes the piston to push hydraulic oil into the main cylinder through a hollow tube, lifting the load. To lower the load gradually, you need to release the pressure within the system. This is done by turning the release valve, which allows the hydraulic oil to flow back into the main tank. As the oil returns to the tank, the pressure in the main cylinder decreases, causing the main piston to descend slowly and safely, lowering the load back down.